So there are at least two different types of fuse boxes that I'm aware of in the 124. This is the type that I have in my two cars. I don't have the melting issue, but it is possible because this modification actually came out when that fuse box was the standard. If it looks like this, with one end of the fuse basically sitting on plastic, then this is a potential issue you may face at some stage. You can see that the blower motor fuse gets rather hot and it ends up melting the plastic, and eventually you'll have no continuity on that fuse. Obviously, anytime you have some kind of overcurrent situation, you should be doing tests to see if the device in question is drawing too much current. In this case, an Australian auto electrician installed this external fuse, kind of dodgy, but it worked for a while anyway. The official fix from MB is this external fuse holder, and the part number is on the bag, so there's no need to ask me for it. Inside the holder is a strip type fuse, and it's more than happy to carry 30 amps sustained without any kind of melting going on. This is what it looks like out of the bag. It's a very nice looking harness, and it's not the biodegradable rubbish either. It's made by Delphi, and I think as of making this video they are still available, or some anyway. It's already terminated at the ends, ready for easy installation. So this is one part of the kit. You also want to get the mounting bracket, and that's what the actual fuse holder sits on, and the part number is there. So the next step is basically finding the underside of the fuse in question, and you basically just connect the two ends of that harness to that fuse holder. You then screw the fuse holder onto that bracket with self-tapping screws. You can see the strip fuse inside that housing there. And finally, the bracket just gets installed onto the strut tower as you see in this image, and it's quite a neat installation when it's done. And that should be the end of your melted fuse holder worries. This image circulates online. You can find this if you Google search, but you've got various part numbers on there if you would like to order those.